So what's that from?
It says Mommy. Okay, let me open it. Oh, yep, it's a cereal box, but it's not really. I know what's in here. Wait, is it really a cereal box or what? Oh, it's not a cereal box, is it? What the? Who puts?
Wow, it is cereal. I mean, if it is cereal, then be careful on taking it out. You don't want to rip it and get cereal.
Oh man, it's cereal.
You sure?
Yes.
Why don't you take that out? You can rip the box.
Huh?
Oh, how do you pack it in here? It's hard to take out.
Oh, what's cool? Cool. Oh, that's it? Okay, next one is from Santa Claus.
So were you a good boy?
Yes, I was being a good boy. Okay. Santa gave me his markers. And
You sure? Why don't you open that one?
it's just markers.
You sure it's marker?
Yeah.
Open it.
Weird. Wait. Okay. Okay, it says cool thunderstorms.
Wow.
And okay.
Do you like thunderstorms?
No.
No, you don't know how thunderstorm is coming from?
It's bad for you. And cool. A book. Yeah, this is from Daddy. Final present. I figured out this is a bottle. Very easy. Okay. Cool. Now I'm going to open this.
Who gave you that one?
Mommy.
Okay, are you gonna write thank you card to each person?
Wait. Wait. Okay, this is Pokemon. Okay. Open this. Okay.
You like it?
Yeah. Okay. I got another one of this. Skunky.